Hi, I'm Cameron Humphreys from Humphreys Outdoor Power. You may have seen our last video. If not, I'll leave a link in the description. But we talked about how to hook up a 3-point attachment. Now, one of the things I said in this video was that we were going to do another video with a Quick-Hitch, and that's what today's video is all about. So I have behind me the two Quick-Hitches that are the most common that we sell. The QH15, which will go on your L series and some of your B series models. And then we've got the QH05 that'll be on your BX series. We're going to dive in here and show you how you can use these things to help really take a lot of time off whenever you're swapping equipment or even just installing something for the first time. So let's dive in and take a look.
Okay. So there's bushings that come on the Quick-Hitch, and they're on these pins right now. They are for the implements. Pull these bottom pins out, and you have these bushings. Now you are going to get one side up on there, and you have to hold it, get your pin through. And you can pick up the other side. Ready for your top link. Once you get it on there, you want to make sure that this is straight up and down. So this one needs to be tilted in some. So you tighten up your top link to adjust it. And there's a jam nut you want to run down and tighten. Then these bushings go on the implement. So you'll take the pins out, slide in the bushing, put the pin back in. On both sides. And that is your bottom. On the top is adjustable. We won't know what holes to put it in until we try to hook up the implement the first time. So now you back up, you open your handles, of course. Come back, pull these pins, and move the hook down. We'll go 2 holes. Back up and try again.
So how do you know if it's too high? Because it has to be resting on it?
Yeah, because when this is setting here, these should be in the bottom of this cradle.
Okay.
So that you can close your arms. So it's still too high, so we're going to go down one more hole. We're almost to the bottom, so one more hole should get it. Lift it up, close your latches. Now it's ready to work. Flip your latches open. You just set the implement down. Pull away.
So now that we have everything with the Quick-Hitch adjusted, we wanted to take some time to show how easy it is to attach an implement once you've got everything set up and ready to go. You can see he's just backing in, hooking on, and then he's just going to slap down the handles, and that's all there is to it, and that's why these things are such a powerful tool to have in your toolbox. So in the same vein here, we've already got the Quick-Hitch adjusted, and the adjustments are the same for the grater scraper and the tiller, so we didn't have to change anything there. So now all we have to do is back up, hook in, lock our handles down, and then you'll watch him, attach the PTO with the collar there. But there's a lot less you have to do once you have everything adjusted. You may have to make some minor adjustments if you're going to bigger equipment, but by and large you'll be able to go from one piece of equipment to the other without really changing anything. So now Mike's going to just kind of go through the steps of showing how to detach an implement with the Quick-Hitch. It's exactly the same steps, just in the reverse order. Detach your PTO, release the two levers, lower your 3-point, and simply pull forward. Hopefully you found this video helpful. We tried to cover kind of the initial setup for your Quick-Hitch, and then tried to show how easy it is to use once you have everything set up. You can literally bounce from equipment to equipment without really making any adjustments. Really saves a lot of time. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and yeah, if you have any comments or anything, suggestions for other videos we can make, we're always open to those. We want to learn how to best help our customers. So with that being said, thank you and have a wonderful day.